Hi, this is a video letter to you, sweetheart. Now it's in the evening. I just finished making a dinner and we are ready to play. Cole's been asking me to ride this truck, and then he is pushing his shopping cart and then crash after me. That's what he wants to do. And hi, cuckoo! Yay! And then look at this. Is tonight's dinner, which is a chicken noodle soup. I've never made it, and I made it based on the recipe in the internet, and it looks pretty good. It turned out pretty good. So we're gonna have this in shortly after this. All right, I hope you are having a nice day at your conference, and love you, and kisses from Cole to you. Dada ni kiss して。Dada ni kiss して。You shy or what? Hey, kiss. Thank you. That's it.